Creating a budgeting helps you understand where your money is going, prioritize your spending, and achieve your financial goals. Here are some key reasons why creating a budget and sticking to it is important. 1. Financial awareness. A budget gives you a clear picture of your income and expenses, helping you identify areas where you can save money and cut back on unnecessary spending. 2. Goal setting. By creating a budget, you can set financial goals such as saving for a vacation, buying a home, or paying off debt. A budget helps you track your progress towards these goals and stay motivated. 3. Avoiding debt. A budget helps you live within your means and avoid accumulating debt. By carefully managing your expenses, you can build a financial safety net and avoid financial stress. To create a budget, start by categorizing your expenses into fixed expenses such as rent, mortgage, utilities, and variable expenses such as groceries, entertainment. There are many budgeting apps and tools available to make the budgeting process easier. Popular options include Mint, YNAB You Need a Budget, and Personal Capital. These apps can help you track your spending, set financial goals, and receive insights into your financial habits. Firstly, let's talk about budgeting. It's crucial to have a clear plan of how you'll spend your money. Set aside money for essentials like rent or mortgage, utilities, food, and transportation. Once you've done that, decide on a reasonable amount for entertainment and leisure activities. This will help you avoid overspending and live within your means. Secondly, save money aggressively. It's recommended to have an emergency fund equivalent to 3 to 6 months of your living expenses at all times. This way, you can weather any financial storm that may come your way. Also, save for the future by investing in retirement funds or income-generating assets like stocks or real estate. Thirdly, keep your debts in check. Avoid unnecessary credit card debt and try to pay off high-interest loans like credit cards first before tackling other debts. Remember, the faster you pay off your debts, the more money you can save in interest payments. Lastly, invest wisely. Research different asset classes like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or real estate before making any investment decisions. Diversify your portfolio across different asset classes to minimize risk and maximize returns over time. Remember, creating a budget is just the first step. Sticking to your budget requires discipline and consistency. Review your budget regularly, make adjustments as needed, and stay focused on your financial goals. By following these budgeting basics, you can take control of your finances and secure a brighter financial future. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips and advice. Until next time, stay tuned for our next video.